A shopkeeper marked price of a shirt 50% more than the cost price of the shirt. When he sells the shirt at X% discount and then dash percent profit is obtained, and when it is sold at X% discount of 2x% dash percent profit is obtained. What is the following, which of the following options are possible for the blanks in the same order? Okay, got it. So let's first assume the cost price as 100. Okay, question says a shopkeeper marked price of a shirt 50% more than the cost price. That means the marked price will be 50 more than 100, which will be 150, okay, of the shirt. When he sells the shirt at X% discount, dash percent profit is obtained, and when it is sold at 2x%, another dash percent profit is obtained. That means there are two selling prices. Okay, first when the discount is of X% and another when the discount is of 2x%. Okay, and this is what we have to calculate. So there are two scenarios when discount is of X%, and another scenario is when there is a discount of 2x%. Got it? Now if there is a discount of X%, that means he must have sold it at 100 minus X% of the mark price. How did I do this? Why did I take this? If you remember in the earlier problems, when I said there is a discount of 10%, I said if he is selling it at 10, if there is 10% discount, I said he must be selling it at 90% of the mark price. Alright, I said when there was a discount of 20%, I said he must be selling it at 80% of the mark price. Similarly, when I said when there was a profit of 10%, I said he must be selling it at 110% of the cost price, because profit is always on the cost price and discount is always on the mark price. I hope you guys know this. Okay, so the same concept is applied here. When there is a discount of X%, I said he sold, that means he sold it at 100 minus X% of the mark price, and this will give us the selling price of this. When there is a discount of X%, we will get this. Okay, and the same thing will be done in scenario 2 as well. When there is a discount of 2x%, that means he is selling it at 100 minus 2x% of the mark price, and this will give me the selling price when there is a discount of 2x. All right, now we are not given any real values in the question. That means there is only one way to solve this question, is to go through the options and use trial and error method. Okay, so let's try option A first. Okay, now let me tell you, if there is a 60% profit. Okay, this is the first blank and this is the second blank. Okay, it is saying that 60% profit is there. That means the selling price would be what, 60? No, it will be 160, because there is a profit of 60, and that 60% profit is always on the cost price. So that means the selling price would be 160, and this selling price for 2x would be 130. Now let's substitute 160 here. Let's see what we get. Okay, so 100 minus X over 100 into mark price is what? Mark price is 150 into selling price of X, which is 160. Now let's calculate. Okay, 5 3s are 5 3s are 5 2s are, we get 100 minus X as 32 divided by 3 into 10, and let's see what we get. 3 1s are okay, I am getting value that is greater than 100. Okay, I'm getting value that is greater than 100, and when this 100 when I take this 100, the value which is greater than 100, I take it on the left hand side, I get X that is negative, and X cannot be negative because we are talking about discount, and discount cannot, and the discount value cannot be in negative. The discount is only possible when the selling price is less than the mark price. Only then the discount is possible, and when we get discount as negative, that doesn't make any sense. Okay, so that means option A is wrong. Option A is not possible. Okay, option A is not possible. Okay, I'll tell you a smart way to solve this question. Okay, we already know that option A is not possible because 60 is not possible. We are not checking it for 30 because anyway, even if this is right, this is wrong. So option A is not possible. So A is in the option A, that means this is also not possible. A is not here, A is not here, A is in here, that means this is also not possible, this is also wrong. Option E is all are possible, all are not possible because A is not possible, so option E is also wrong. We are left with option B and option C. Now look carefully, option D and E, here D and E are common. Okay, so we only have to check for B and C. We do not have to check for D and E, because even if either of B and C is correct, then D and E will automatically be correct. Okay, so first let's check for B. B is what? 20 and 8. So that means that there is 20% profit, that means selling price is 120, and 8% profit, that means selling price is 108. Let's substitute 120 here. So 100 minus x over 100, 0 0 gets cancelled, 5 3s are 4 3 5s are 3 4s are, so 100 minus x is equals to 4 into 100 over 5, we get 80. So x is equals to 20. 80 is subtracted from 100, we get x as 20. Now there are two ways to solve this. Either substitute x here or just substitute 108 here and see if the value of x is equals to 20. So I'll substitute the value of x first. Okay, so 100 minus 2 into x, that means 2 into 20, we get 40 over 100 into mark price is 150. Okay, so 0 0, 5 3s are 5 2s are 60 divided by 2 into 3, 2 3s are 0, 3 3s are 9, we are getting 90. But this is not correct, because the selling price for 2x should be 108, we are getting 90. That means option B is also wrong. That means option B is wrong, that means the C is the correct one. So option C, which says C, D and E. So, and I am not checking it here, I've already checked it myself personally, and option C, D and E, both all three satisfy the required equation. Okay, so you can try it by yourself, and this is how you solve the question. Okay, the option C is the correct one here.